Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Beginner Series. This is a video number 16. In this video, we will learn how to add borders and fill for the clean tables. So let's start. To add borders, simply select the entire data. You just drag with the mouse and you can select here entire data. And the second way, simply select inside the cell and you can use here shortcut key Control A to select entire data. After that, go to the Home tab. In Font Group, have a border option. Just click on this drop down arrow and select your borders. You can see have a bottom border, top border, and you can check here the preview also, right border and no border and all border. And click on the all border and you can see your border is applied. Next, to change border style, simply go to the again Home tab and click on the border option and you can see here the line style is available. You can see here the different type of line style is available. Simply click on it and you can see your pencil icon indicate with your cursor and you just simply drag and you can see the different line style is showing, same as you can draw on your data, and here you can see your line style is showing the different. Okay, so that's it. Next is draw border. Same as go to the Home tab. In border option, have a one option draw border. Just click on it and here you can see again the pencil icon here showing. Okay, just simply drag and you can draw your border anywhere in Excel. Okay, I just drag above and you can see on your data also you can just draw your border where you want, and that's it. Next, border color. So you can change the border color also. So I go to the again Home tab. In border option, here you can see one option, the line color. Okay, so here I select the red color and when I draw the border you can see the border color is changed. Okay, you can quickly draw here border with the different color, and that's it. Next, border grid. Okay, so simply go to the border option and here you can see draw border grid. I just click on it and you can see again the pencil icon and grid icon also showing with pencil. Okay, you just drag and you can see the grid is draw with a different color because I just changed the color. Okay, you just select and draw here the grid quickly. Okay, if you want to change color, again I click on it and click on the line color and click on the black. Now I select here and draw. You can see color is changed. Okay, that's it. Next, to erase border, you can erase your border in Excel. Again click on your border option and you can see erase border option. When you click on these you can see the eraser here is showing in your cursor. You just drag and you can just erase your border quickly in your data. Okay, you can see you can quickly erase your border here. Okay, so that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.